The Dig 6-outlet drip emitters, also called a manifold, mount on a half-inch shrub stick or riser. They split the flow of water into 6 different directions, turning a single riser into a mini drip system. I'm Dwayne Smith, your Sprinkler Warehouse product specialist. Let's talk about manifolds. This is the Dig 6-outlet adjustable manifold. It could also be called a 6-outlet emitter. Each of these pressure compensating outlets can deliver up to 20 gallons per hour, and they can be independently adjusted to suit the needs of your plants, or even turned off completely by turning the little knobs here. This manifold is perfect for watering individual shrubs, roses, or trees. And because it's drip irrigation, it uses 50 to 70% less water than a conventional sprinkler system. By only watering the root zone area of the plant, drip irrigation helps eliminate problems with pests, weeds, water evaporation and runoff, and plant disease caused by overwatering. 1/4-inch microtubing connects to each of these barbs. The microtubing carries the water to the root zone of your plants. Depending on the size of the planting, one outlet may suffice for a small, dense grouping, or you may use one outlet per plant. For trees and large shrubs, you may need to use several outlets. Don't run your microtubing more than 8 feet, and always use support stakes to secure your microtubing. These manifolds can be installed above ground, or you can place them underground in a small valve box like this. To retrofit a sprinkler to a manifold, unscrew the nozzle from the riser. Next, it's a good idea to flush the line for just a few seconds. Screw the manifold onto the riser. Run your microtubing from the manifold to your plants. It's a good idea to use a bug cap, also called a diffusion cap, on the end of your tubing. It helps to prevent erosion and prevents bugs from making their home in your tubing. We sell a number of different diffuser caps on sprinklerwarehouse.com. This one, for example, is the DBC025. If you have enough flow to water 2 plants from one outlet, you can insert a barbed tee and add additional tubing to reach the root zone of 2 plants. Or you can add a coupler and attach emitter tubing to wrap around some plants. But you'll need to do some math to make sure you haven't added more emitter tubing than the 20 gallons per hour that the outlet will supply. Remember, Sprinkler Warehouse has everything for your irrigation needs, so your trees, lawn, flower beds, and gardens are lush and beautiful. And if you have any questions about our products, chat with one of our superb customer service agents on sprinklerwarehouse.com. They really know their stuff, and they'll get you squared away. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for helpful tips, tutorials, and general sprinkler instruction. For Sprinkler Warehouse, I'm Dwayne Smith. Professional quality, rock bottom prices.